Hello, good day, dear panelists. We are Group 2 from 11 Matthew, and we will be presenting our research about the influence of self-deprecating humor in marketing among business owners in Imus Cavite. So first, let's proceed to the background of our study.
For our study, it focuses on how humor has long been used in marketing to attract buyers and build connections with audiences. One common type is self-deprecating humor, where an individual makes a joke about their own flaws to appear more relatable and authentic. However, its effectiveness depends on how customers will perceive it. In some situations, it can increase engagement, but in others, it may reduce the credibility of the brand. Because of these possible positive and negative effects, this study will examine how self-deprecating humor influences marketing strategies among business owners.
Now, for the statement of the problem, this study aims to answer three main research questions. First, what are the motivation behind business owners' use of self-deprecating humor in promoting their products and services? Second, in what ways do business owners in Imus Cavite apply self-deprecating humor as parts of their marketing strategies? And third, how does self-deprecating humor influence customer engagement and overall business performance? So, this question guided us for the direction of our study and help us analyze how to use humor affects marketing practices and among business owners.
Now let's proceed to the methodology.
For our research design, this study used a qualitative approach, specifically a descriptive narrative approach. This type of approach was chosen to better understand how business owners in Imus Cavite use self-deprecating humor as a marketing strategy and how it affects their business and personal perspectives. Therefore, the data were gathered through in-depth interviews with the selected business owners who apply self-deprecating humor in their promotional activities. This allows the researcher to explore how this type of humor influences customers' engagement, brand perception, and the overall business performance.
For the procedure, the researchers selected five business owners from Imus Cavite who used self-deprecating humor in their marketing strategy. The participants were chosen through purposive sampling since they met the criteria needed for the study. After obtaining their informed consent, the researcher conducted semi-structural interviews to gather detailed information about their experience and perspective in using self-deprecating humor. The responses were then recorded and transcribed for the analysis.
For data analysis, the researchers used thematic analysis to analyze the interview responses. This method helps us identify common themes and patterns based on the participants' answer. All interviews were also recorded and transcribed verbatim to ensure accuracy and credibility of the data given by the participants. After transcription, researchers carefully reviewed and coded the responses the responses to group similar ideas together. Therefore, this group ideas were then organized into teams that answered the research questions of the study. Now let's proceed to the last part, which is the results and discussion of our study. For SOP1, which is aligned with the research question 1 and 2, this focuses on the motivations behind business owners' use of self-deprecating humor in promoting their products or services. Based on the responses of the participants, the main theme that emerged is humor as a strategic tool for visibility and relatability. And under this theme, three key codes were identified. So for code 1.1, increasing visibility and attention. So the participants shared that using like trending sounds and humorous contents helps increase organic views and audience reach for their content. And for code 1.2, building relatability and customer connection. So participants also mentioned that some funny and relatable content encourages interaction and boosts engagement for their brand. And for code 1.3, which is following social media trends. So humor is used to stay relevant and align with current online trends. So these findings shows that self-deprecating humor is intentionally used as a strategy to attract attention and connection with customers.
For SOP2, which is aligned with research questions 3 and 4, this focuses on how business owners in Imus Cavite apply self-deprecating humor in their marketing strategies. The main theme that emerged is strategic context-based application of humor. In Code 2.1, using humor in social media content, participants create skits, memes, or videos to make their promotions more engaging and stand out online. Code 2.2, separating humor from professional operations, humor is applied online, while actual business operations remain professional to maintain credibility. Code 2.3, evaluating risk before applying trends. Business owners carefully assess humor trends to ensure appropriateness and alignment with their brand. These findings show that humor is used strategically through to engage audiences while professionalism and careful planning are maintained to protect the business image. For SOP3, which is aligned with research questions 5 and 6, this focuses on how self-deprecating humor influences customer engagement and business performance. The main theme that emerged is positive impact of humor on engagement and marketing performance. In Code 3.1, increasing humor and increasing customer engagement, participants shared that humorous content encourages more likes, comments, and shares, helping them interact better with their audience. Code 3.2, enhancing customer recognition and attraction. Respondents noted that humor helps their business become more noticeable and attracts new customers. Code 3.3, supporting long-term marketing effectiveness, participants mentioned that consistent use of humor strengthens brand presence and contributes to lasting marketing results. Overall, these findings suggest that self-deprecating humor not only boosts engagement but also supports brand recognition and long-term business performance, showing that it is an effective marketing strategy when applied thoughtfully.
Now let's proceed to the conclusion.
This study concludes that self-deprecating humor is an effective marketing strategy for business owners in Imus Cavite. When used appropriately, though it attracts audience attention, engage customer, and make the business appear more authentic. Its effectiveness depends on the type of business, target market, and content of the message.
And lastly, for the study's recommendation,
The study suggests that small to medium-sized business owner can use self-deprecating humor in marketing to appear more relatable, approachable, and authentic, which can increase customer engagement and improve brand image. Humor should be applied carefully to match the brand and maintain credibility. Future research may explore larger business to gain broader insights into the role of humor in marketing and business growth.
and that's all for our presentation. Thank you.